This is an adopted part, a new addition to our culture that we enjoy and love doing because it helps to explain in more in-depth our culture. My name is Vale Tifinau. I'm older sister of Anahina and the only one who knows the key to Sikalu's lock. It's my pride, Luciane, that I have all the keys to Sikalu's secret locks. Just joking. Opo katap, ke api fio atong tahay o tuay na tau loto-lotonga. Whakatapu ke hau e ke o lotolangi, o kunau tui fio, and praising God with us at this very special moment. I'm very, very honored because I have 3 sons. And Luther, thank you for the honor to do this for you. Whatapu, kia kau taki lotu hano kotoa pe. Ai kau lotu mo oni, mo kau ma oni, o mo hu fia. Ai ki sanga tupani, mai ki uhiki koe. That I nicknamed my little papanga, which means flat nose. Whatapu, i ngai whamiri kotoa, Assemblies of God. Family with friends. Whatapu ke he oi haua koe, o whaake o angeia, is mo teki lave I tawake o lute Sikalu I aho ni ko fefine ko Luciane Sikalu aho. She is Lute's guest of honor today. Apart from Jesus. And for non-Tongans, our culture is divinely described by God. Luciane, in Tonga, everyone is higher on his or her mother's side and lower on the father's side. And because Luciane is Sikalu's eldest sister, she is Lute's fahu o Mehikitanga today. These celebrations, strictly within a cultural context, would have been anti-climax without fahu. Luciane, who is sitting at the top table. My heart is overflowed with joy because it is complete today because Luciane is here. Koe tumuaki o keke alute. O fuaki ia ma Luciane. Sikalu aho. Came all the way from Tonga and just humble Chester by you, Luciane, touched my heart to the core. O fuak, ai tumu aki, lute maho Mehikitanga. Luciane Sikalu aho. Hoko ke te pire keke alute, her mother is younger sister of my mom. So these roles are by our mother's side. O ave keke koe mi, mai Mehikitanga alute, aki ai wala whai aho o lute, ko kore ke o mai ai wala o lute. Ko kake ie ne lute. Ko te e whangawhae. Ke whai aki a whakahonga. Ai mea maa Luciane. E koen. Ke tau mua ki ai. Ko whakamalo o koko. Ko nofo anga ia o lute. O toi ame peia ko whakalangi-langi. O no me itanga. Malo. Luciane, koe motu I veve ni ai ngai whae, panga whae alute, o whaki atuia. Ke whakamahinu ka te koe, koe whakapa-apa mo whiawhia e hau te o kai koalapu. O kuate me takeri ha maunoto, pe kai ke ngā tai, ka whakapapa ka te koe. Lute will serve you as hea pihitanga the rest of her life. So bring it on, any boy or any man who will, after Lute, he will also serve Luciane. Pea, toi kore atu ke kau tangata, ke mo mea mai pea mo o toi tau whakarele I atu. E mea au whakoe ni.
Poki, poki.
Pea moe kato miri.
Hola, está en la We don't have enough words to express our joy and thankfulness for the blessing. We know this little girl will make it and she will continue to live for Jesus because of your blessings today. Malo Aubito. And I'm not used to all these strange names of the AOGs. So I'll pass on to my sister to complete our role. Kange ko mo mea I na ifimau pe elute ke al the last 2 weeks of fight and whakamalo ke kau whai whikau. Pena I alwa lute o fight and whakamalo